Assalamualaikum. Hi, Kyle. So this is your graphs. Let me go through it once. We go through all the graphs once for your ease. Let's develop here in R. Sorry, save not found. If I say I mean FOR, it has many ones. Here are the ones without the removal of the outliers, and here is the correlation plot. When you're reading, when you find very helpful. This is a correlation matrix for you, my friend, and these are codes, kind of codes reading unnecessary for you, and you can change the name if you would like. And yeah. So let's go to the Excel file. So let me show you. As you'll probably be knowing what MAP is, mean absolute percentage error. And so without removing the outlier, it's 19%. That means you have an accuracy of about 81%. 81%. With removing the outliers, you have the accuracy of 86%. Now to further improve the accuracy, I just optimize your coefficients, which are here. Which are different than the models that I made for you. And let's have a look. Where did I put this? Give me a moment, please. So sorry for the wait. Yeah. So here is the summary that you wanted, that was required in your task. The residual standard error and full detail, along with the coefficient of variable, the p-value, the standard error, the minimum value, the first quadrant value, median, third quadrant maximum values, the fall formula. This is the original that you also saw here in RStudio. One thing you should be knowing that I did with your data, I removed the outliers I said that if it's above 95% and below 5%, then I say it's an outlier, and I replace it with median value here in MS Excel. Now these values were not in the original data, so I generated this variable by this is LS means the last month's sale, 2S means the second last month's sale, 3S means the third last month's sale. And I thought that I'd not be doing the rate and the claims of the particular month beforehand, so I did the same with the other two variables as well. Last month claim, second last month claim, third last month claim, last month's rate, second last month rate, and third last month rate. And here is your 3 months predictions. You can extend it and get. Let me do it for you. So we have a 6 month sale now, which would be leading to obviously negative values. Why? Because it all depends on previous month's data. If we do not have it at the current point in time, alright. I hope I'm right. And if there's any discrepancy or anything that you'd like to change, do let me know. For these three particularly, I'm pretty sure these are not wrong at all. But even if you feel like there is something wrong with it, you can always contact me to understand what I've done, why I've done. And I've shared with you the forecast and the graphs of this following. If you like this video, do let me know. And also, um, the graphs that are in here in R will also be attached in the file and you can send me. Just, do confirm me if it's alright. This is what you want. So I'll be sharing the video. I hope you find it useful and helpful. Awaiting for your positive response.